First of all, we go to debug, powder debug, and this system allows us to control the build plate, move it up and down on the z-axis, and calibrate the machine to make sure it's leveled, calibrated at the 0 level, and to move the recording arm front and back. This is what we use in order to make sure that the first layer when we're printing is as thin as possible. This is to make sure that the first layer sticks to the build plate very well. And we click cover, which basically means that the recording arm will spread the powder inside the build chamber. And in general, you would want the first layer to be somewhere around 40 microns, and for you to visually see the metal build plate at the bottom. This way, you can make sure that the powder is melted very well to the build plate. So as you can see, this layer looks perfect. It's very thin. We can see that the powder is spread evenly and that the whole build plate is covered with powder. So after seeing a layer like this, we can start the printing process.